chop game. Market makers playing that chop game. Traders getting wrecked, don't trade it the same. Long it, pull back, short it, moon quick. Market makers in the back, laugh. Confirm, breakout. No, now it's reversing. Market makers bait the highs and slice the lows. Paint the picture, then it folds. Fake bull flags, fake bear traps, jumping in late. That bag collapsed. Whips all move, straight disrespectful. No trend, just chop. Feeling regretful. Market makers see you stop like X-ray vision. Liquidity hunting, that's their mission. Retail trying to snipe the top. Market makers cooking, it's getting hot. Revenge trading will break your soul. Fear, greed, envy, you lose control. Jealousy, anger, revenge gets fed. You revenge trade, now in the red.
Don't feel like you have to be in a trade. Don't give up, I know it's hard. Royal flush soon, like playing cards. Markets change, can't trade it the same. Long the uptrend, short the flare.
It's that range game, fake out chains. Market makers profit, traders feel the pain. Candle art ain't what it seems. Chop is a weapon, killing dreams. Chasing that breakout too late, my friend. Market makers denying the sin. Retail trap, caught in that zone. The traders be holding bags, asking for a loan. FOMO hits, traders load that size. Price retraces, no allergies, but watery eyes. Market makers sell the dream by the dip, then the dip keeps dipping. It's a sucker script, adapt to die. That's the motto, no edge in chop, just highs then hollow. Top down scan, zoom out the view. Avoid the noise, wait for the cue.
Don't give up, I know it's hard. Royal flush soon, like playing cards. Markets change, can't trade it the same. Long the uptrend, short the flare.
Feeling fear, feeling greed, angry, mad. Want that speed, fast, jealous, wide. Trade the flex, revenge got you wrecked, now you second guess.
You gotta breathe and follow the plan. You'll win again if you understand. Don't give up, hold your ground. Set alerts for the trend, wait for the sound.
Whipsaw move, straight disrespectful, no trend, just chop. Feeling regretful, market makers see you stop like X-ray vision. Liquidity hunting, that's their mission. Catch the move, not the hype parade. Stay in the game, that's how legends are made. Market makers playing that chop game. Set a stop loss on every trade. Trade with the trend. Or get trapped again.
That's right, guys. We do not want to get trapped. No, sirree, Bob. We don't want to get trapped, and we want to make it. We want to be successful. So the only way you can lose in crypto is if you quit. You know, will you gain financially? Sure. Will you lose financially? Sure. But as long as you don't quit, and we're going to make it, guys. We're going to make it in 3, 2, and 1. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. And I completely forgot CCM. I'm so sorry. And I do this more and more. But unfortunately, I forgot today was Monday, even though CCM reminded me yesterday about today. But when you're doing with like lack of sleep, and then when you do get sleep and then you wake up, like you don't know you really don't know what day it is. So I missed CCM show, and I hate it too because I love his shows, Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. I love all his shows. Period. That's when I'm on, and man, first thing I thought of when I woke up was like, oh yeah, 12 o'clock. I didn't even think it'd be 11 o'clock. So sorry, man. Appreciate you. All right. Thank you everybody for smashing the like. You guys are the best. You're the best. All right, so let's look at crypto. Let us look at crypto. Thank you for everybody being here. Put a 1 in the chat. Put a 1 in the chat so I can give you a shout out. But oh yeah, let's go ahead and put on some background music. Let's do instrumentals. There we go. Crypto bubbles on the hourly time frame. What's going on? What happened to our gains? What's going on here? We have price coming down. We got bonk down. Are we in this one? I think we're in this one. We've been in this one for like a week. It's like either just stop us out or make us hit our target, please. Like I'm tired of this. Tired. We got Pingu. It's been having a huge run up the past, shoot, man. Feels like a year, but several days, a week. But that one, it's coming down, which is normal. You know, you want these prices to go up and come down. We have Hex up right now. Pretty much that's the only one, really. I mean, GT, hype a little bit. So if there's any of these coins that you want me to do, let me know. And that way we can get, I know my camera is like really off as far as the color and everything. The only time I try to mess with it is like 5 minutes prior to the show. So I tried messing with it, but when I did the auto configure or whatever, it makes it all black. So I don't know what the deal is with that, but I know my camera is not looking the best. So I tried lowering the stuff, but it looks different from this monitor to that monitor. So like, I don't know. I'll officially fix it in about a week, if not sooner, but usually about a week. That's when I should be out of this place and into my next place. So we'll see. Thank you guys for pushing the ones. You guys are the absolute best. You guys are the absolute best. Let's go and look at the daily. Not sexy. Not sexy. We haven't been in trades for a few days now. A few days. Now, can you get into a trade and make a lot of money? Sure, of course. However, the market, to me, the market is not looking great one way or the other. And so I'm also looking at Bitcoin. We did finally enter 3 trades last night, just due to the fact that it looked like, and it's dangerous. It looks like it's the beginning of the move versus a confirmation of the move. And the move is just basically a break of a high. That's my move. So that's what I think. All right, checking the chats. Chat looks good. All right, so on the daily, nothing too exciting either. Let's go in here to the fear and greed index before we get into Bitcoin and the alts. Right now we're at 75 in the greed. I wish the thing was more up to date. This is 16 hours ago. I just wish it was more up to date, you know. And I'll show you what I mean. Just so. Okay. Here we have the liquidation heat map. So why do we look at this? This is important too. Like, why do we look at this stuff? Well, this is telling us where the price might go, not where it will go. If we knew where it is definitely going to go, we'd all be rich. That's what these gurus, they try to sell you, that they know where stuff's going to go. And when they're right, man, they look like a genius. But when they're wrong, well, it's just because the market didn't do what it's supposed to, or, you know, for whatever reason. We don't win them all. We don't win them all. But just to let you know that nobody knows what's going to happen. We have probabilities, but the ones that say that they know what's going to happen, it's just a sales pitch. That's all it is. You know, they want to sell you their membership. They want to sell you a course. They want to sell you a boot camp. But I'm letting you know, guys, like, if we knew what was going to happen, we'd all be rich. All of us. They just have a sales pitch. Yeah. Right now, we do have a pretty nice liquidation area at 119,735, 69 million. And we have, 20 million, 30 million, 13 million, all the way leading up to that. Down here, we have a lot. It's not really hot. It was hot, but it ended up getting it. But there's no really hot spot. In the hot spot, those are the brighter colors. You can see the legend over here. The brighter it is, the more money. The cooler it is, the less money. But we have 30 million, 20 million, 9 million, 40 million, 44 million. 20. So there's a lot of millions right here. Don't get it twisted, guys. So let us look at the 12-hour time frame. 12-hour time frame. What do we see? Really nice liquidations towards the, and we're really close too. Does it mean that it's coming down here for sure? No. It'd be nice. It'd be nice for it to come and get this before maybe going up. But the only way it can get this for sure, 100%, or at least going towards this, is if it breaks this level. The only way that it can go and get this information or this liquidation is if it breaks this level, breaks this level, breaks this level. So for me, what I do is I trade level by level. Level by level. Bag. CCM says magnets. No magnets. No magnets. The only magnet in crypto, and I'll show you that in a little bit, is on Trading You. You guys are jokesters. You guys are jokesters. I love it. I love it. But CCM, man, I feel so bad, dude. I hate letting people down. I really do. And I feel so bad. When I check my messages, I was like, Monday. Completely forgot, man. I hate it. Let's see here. So let's see here. Looking at this, it looks like it wants to bounce. We're gonna look at Bitcoin in just a moment. But to me, it would just be better if it just gets this over with and then comes up. Let's go to the liquidations. Who's getting liquidated, longs or shorts? Let's refresh this one more time for good luck. For good luck. Here. Steve says, man, today was a good live stream, man. You shouldn't have Joe on there anymore. Joe brings your stuff down. No, don't do it. No, I'm playing. I gotta watch it. I gotta watch it. Man, I hate when I miss. I hate when I miss. But yeah, so everybody, definitely follow CCM Crypto Coin Mindset. And he has a lot of great shows, a lot of great guests, and most of them, well, all of them show up, except me sometimes. Let's see here. Total liquidations on the 1 hour time frame. We have, longs getting liquidated. That means price is coming down. 4 hour, longs getting liquidated. That means price coming down. 12 hour. So this is telling me that price went up and now it's just correcting, just reversing. We're taking a breather. And then here it's kind of neck and neck, but not so much. So let us look at Bitcoin. Finally coming. Oh, look at this. Price did come up and it met our resistance right on our box. This is why it's very important to have these key levels, these key zones, because these are areas of potential, not saying that it will, areas of support / resistance. Now notice my verbiage versus a lot of other traders out there. Like I tell you straight out, like I don't know what's going to happen. I don't. I just have probabilities, areas of support resistance, things that might happen. Now, other people, you'll hear them, oh, it's going here, it's doing this, it's gonna. No, I don't know. I don't know. See here, Crypto Coin Mindset says, oh wait, no. Steve says, Joe stopped out on your live today. Yeah, I got liquidated. That's funny. You guys are nuts. You guys are nuts. All right, so let us look at Bitcoin and let us look to see this bounce zone didn't happen. This was completely nothing. I thought for sure it was going to bounce. We did have a wick tap it, but I don't consider that a bounce. I want to see can nobody close in here and then come up. So this, I'm going to have to take away because this is no longer relevant. Take that away. Right now we're on the 4 hour time frame. We do have, nope, no divergence. It looks like it's bouncing again on this level. This is the point of control. We're going to do our point of controls again because we have to adjust them. This, we really don't need this or this because now this is just noise. Unless price comes down. So let's just go ahead and hide this and hide this one. I like my charts nice and clean. Steve says, you rock, buddy. You're a good guy. Thank you, man. I try to be, well, I don't try to be, I try to have my actions, you know, show you who I am. Joe, you're a procrastinator. Calm down. Joe, you never show up. Calm down. It was pretty cool. Last night, I was watching Trader Geo. So Trader Geo is a real good dude. I like him a lot. Very confident, very confident. However, he backs his stuff up. There's a lot of other traders out there that are very confident and, in my opinion, lose way more than they win. Trader Geo, not the fact. You know, he'll do something and it's like, okay, you know, usually they play out. In my opinion, he has a much better success rate than a bunch of other traders that have that much ego. And I mean, I get it. He's good. But I was watching a show last night and it was funny. I'm not sure if y'all watched it too, but Trader Geo was like, Joe, yeah, man, you got this guy on your comments and he's just like, he's mean, like this and that. I know. I'm just, you know, he's my troll. And he goes, man, I will block him, this and that, blah, blah. And I was like, yeah, I was thinking about it, but you know, I've really never blocked anybody for, you know, speaking the mind. He goes, nah, man, like you don't want that negativity, this and that, blah, blah. And for me, I find it just funny because like, if you know me and you see my channel and everything else, that dude, he always calls me a scammer and everything else. Like, how am I scamming people? You know, you don't have to join my group to learn how to trade. You learn here. You join the group if you want access to me. So that's like zero. So just like the more he talks, the scammer, the dumber he looks. Like, so that's why I keep on letting him talk. It's just because he looks so dumb. Everything that he says just makes him look like, one, that he doesn't understand English, and two, like there's no way he can survive on his own, feed himself and go to the restaurant by himself. There's no way if, you know, you think I'm a scammer. And so it's, to me, it's just funny. Like, I love reading the dude's comments. I love it. I look forward to it. But Trader Geo was like, yeah, man, like I blocked him. And man, he towards the very end of his show last night, man, he let him have it. So I was like, thank you, man. Appreciate you. But yeah, he's a good dude. Let's see here. Oh. Snake drama. No more snake drama. And I'm happy too. I was out of the place on Friday. I was planning to go back Saturday, then Sunday, then today. I'll probably go tomorrow. It's just a drive, man. It's a long drive. Going over there and then coming back. Did a lot of stuff on Friday though. But I got 1 week, guys. 10 days. 10 days and that's it. See here. All right, Siva, hopefully this is for Dylan. Like the end. I'm not sure what that means. All right, moving on. All right, so let's get back with Bitcoin. This, I still see this as a bounce zone. Bitcoin, let us do our zones. One thing that I actually hate is that all this stuff is down here. So let me get this, hold down shift, get this and just drag it to the top. See if it stays up here. I have to do this all the time. Update it. Do that and that. All right, so basically what I'm doing, I'm gonna click on one. Here's the anchor. I'm gonna drag it all the way over. Here's the other one. Here's the anchor. And get it, drag it all the way over. And then now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to send this. And I'm going to make the adjustments that I need. So this, it's gone. And here is my new value area high. This is my new value area low. And then this is my new point of control. So this is always updating. Y'all haven't caught on to that. This is always updating. So now I can hide this, clean my chart. Okay, once again, I don't like my charts messy. And it's funny too, I get a lot of people that say that, man, Joe, you got the cleanest charts. Yeah, I don't like the messy chart. All right, so looking at Bitcoin, we still have, you know, we're still doing lower highs. What I want to see, I would love to see a retracement using the fib retracement tool, and for it to bounce either right here, which would be around the 382 level, to maybe here, which would be about 0.5, maybe a golden pocket. So let's go and draw that out. Draw that out. Make sure our magnet tool is on. From here to here. So 382 is right where it pulled back to, which is good. 0.5618 is right in here, but I would like to see it bounce on the 0.5. So to me, even though we're doing lower highs, and this high is lower than this one, and this is lower than this one, and so on and so forth. To me, this looks promising. No divergence. So let us take this off now. And let's go to the 1 hour time frame. I like it. I'm looking for a bounce right here. I just wish we were above this and we had closed already so I could enter a long. Let's go 15 minute. We have bullish divergence starting to play out low. And this one is slightly higher. We have a low, and this one is way lower. So we do have bullish divergence currently playing out. Well, no, it played out. It went here. And then that's all I consider. So never mind with that one. Go 3 minute time frame. I mean, I like it. I needed to cross this level for me to enter. So I'm actually going to set an alert. So I might even take a long on Bitcoin. So I'm going to set an alert right here. I want to take it right now though. The alert, set the alert. What is the price range difference from here to here? Okay, not too much. And of course I do my stop loss. I like it, you know, higher low. Oh, and then I always do this too. Now granted, chart on the exchange you use. So if you use Blowfin, chart on Blowfin. If you use Mexi, same thing. Like you don't want to chart here and just blindly enter the trade if you're doing Blowfin, because this is Binance. See right here, Binance? Because it's going to be different. So just to let you know. But We have the 9 estimate crossing. As our blue line is our VWAP. So this could serve as our resistance. But once we get over it, I think we'll do good. Normally I do a 75x leverage. But that's a pretty deep stop loss. I'll probably do like a 30x. So just give you a heads up if I take it. We'll see. All right. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues? Let me know. Now, the only reason I stay on Bitcoin and I keep on talking about Bitcoin is because there's no request. There's no request for coin. Whenever we start getting requests for coins, like I stop. Like I'll sum it up like really quick, and then we'll go to your coins. But if there's no request, then I just keep on talking about Bitcoin. Let us look at total 3. I do want to show this. So we've been looking at this. This is Bitcoin on the hourly time frame. We did break above our level. We're maintaining above it. We did have this slight dip, and now potential bounce. I do think this we're gonna bounce right here though. We have Bitcoin dominance coming down. Now here's to me, this is the baffling part. Bitcoin dominance on the hourly time frame just, in my opinion, just took a really hard nosedive. And normally when this happens, total 3 goes up because that's the inverse reaction. When the market for crypto increases, and it's taken away from Bitcoin dominance because more people are buying the alts, it's reducing the Bitcoin dominance, which automatically increases total 2, total 3. So total 2 is without Bitcoin. Total 3 is without Bitcoin and Ethereum for the total market cap. So as this is happening, this is coming up. However, we're not seeing, and I mentioned this a few times in the group and I believe on YouTube, where we're not seeing like all this massive amount of money coming into the market. You know, we'll see one coin do 18%. We'll see another coin do 4%. We'll see another coin do 12%. You know, yesterday I think there was like 4 that were in double digits, barely. So my question is, where is the money going? Same thing with USDT dominance, you know? And then now, you know, we had this Bitcoin dominance coming up. So this means that people are getting out of the regular alts, creating the dominance to go up, resulting in the dominance of total 3 to come down. And now we're bouncing again on this level. But my question is, where's all the money? I mean, I'm seeing some coins look nice. 1% moves, 2% moves. But yeah. Let's see here. I was thinking, this one we didn't post. This is something I was looking at for the group. But here I had an alert. And if we would have, I think it was like here, you know, we're breaking levels. It's starting to come up. We're breaking levels of, you know, if we enter this one, like right now, which I would not recommend, we're looking at stop loss about 22%. It's a low market cap coin. This is the level it needs to break. Here's our alert. But we didn't post it. I mean, there's nothing on here, no targets, no nothing. But this was the market cap at the time. And this is why it's important. Like, we have to wait. We have to wait. Here's our level. man. So yeah, guys, if y'all haven't seen Trader Geo, I haven't watched him in a long time. I haven't talked to him in a long time either. But yeah, it was funny. As soon as I showed up in the stream, he's like, Joe. He's like, Joe, there's somebody on your stream. This not blah blah. I said, oh yeah, behind. Yeah, I said he's a troller. Oh man, I cut that stuff out real quick. And man, towards the end of the stream, man, he was mad. He was like really mad. He was really mad that you know, somebody would be talking so much trash, and it's not even valid either. So that you know, Trader Geo looking out for me. I appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. And like I said, he's the only one who can be as confident as he is, and I won't talk trash about him because he can back it up. You know, does he win all the time? No. Oh, and he said something yesterday that I really, really liked. He says, he either wins, he always wins. And I'm thinking, what? And he goes, I always win. This is what he said. He goes, I always win. And when I lose a trade, I don't lose, I learn. I forgot to tell him, I got to steal that from him. You know, and that's all it is. It's winning and learning from our mistakes. And even when you win, you're learning. You know, why did I win? And that's one thing that I do. Like whenever I'm looking at my charts and it's like, man, like we got stopped out and we got, you know, it was really, really tight. Like just say, and there's times where we get stopped out and it's like here, and then we'll re-enter the trade, and then we'll put our stop loss. Let's say, wait a minute, let's say we put it right here again, and we get stopped out. Well, next time, if we enter the same trade, because we're learning that, okay, we need more cushion, next time we put a cushion like so, if your trade allows it. So if this is too much for you to have as a stop loss, don't enter the trade. Do another one. I mean, there's been some times where I'll go in and it's like, man, I don't like the risk to reward. And the stop loss is too deep. And what happens? It goes. And it hits both the targets. It's like, oh, crap. We woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda, but we don't know. But that's one thing that I do recommend is, you know, always learn. And that's why I love doing these YouTube videos, because I have all this documented. Not only that, but all the thought process videos that I do for the VIP group, it's all documented. So it's just a thought process. And I recommend everybody do that too. Like record yourself or take notes why you entered, what was happening. Is the market euphoric? Is the market trash? You know, what's the fear and greed index? You know, just how are you feeling as far as, you know, the trades go? Because all that helps. So here. Dylan says trollers are free interaction. Yeah, that's why I haven't pulled him. Because he's the only one. He's the only one who comments. Like literally, you go to any of my, go to most of my videos, and it's him. Put me down. Then another comment, same video, put me down. Another comment, same video, put me down, put me down, put me down, put me down. And then, like nobody comments on my videos, and I need comments, guys. Like I really do. Like in order for me to get seen by other people, different audience, I need comments, guys. I need comments. I need likes. So if you truly do want to help support the channel, you know, watch these videos, comment, and smash the like, but don't leave the video. Let the video play. Then when that one's done, watch another video, you know. But like he's literally helping out my channel. Literally is. With all his comments, and he's the only one commenting. Pretty sad. See here, you can't pull troll intuition. There you go, troller intuition. You can't pull troll. Yes. See here, Dylan says, but they are so low. Don't waste your time with them. Make a song. There we go. Yeah. I made a song about it. I made 2 songs actually, because he keeps on trolling, and he trolls hard too. But yeah, it's all fun for me. Like, to me, I think like there's no way this guy's that dumb. No way. Like, it's impossible. Like, how can he breathe on his own? See here. You talking about me? What y'all talking about? All right. But, all right. Well, that's the end of the show, guys. We did almost an hour, I guess. But, oh no, it's only been 30 minutes. There's no questions or anything. No charts. All right. That's all I got, guys. I do thank you very much. We'll see you on the next video. Appreciate everybody for being here. Y'all are okay. Not sure what y'all are doing. And hopefully 10 more days, guys. 10 more days, and I go to officially to my new place. I gotta call the internet place to get that hooked up. I hate all this adult stuff. Yeah, man. That's what I'm saying. Dylan, yeah, I get it. I don't even want to see how many people are in the chat. I do not want to see how many people are in the stream. I don't. But yeah, and that's my thing, guys. Like, I need your freaking help. Like, there's no other way but for me to beg, and I've been begging. Like, watch these videos, smash the like, leave comments, share this out. Like, in my opinion, I am giving valuable information. Don't keep it all to yourself. But I mean, that's all I can do is like ask y'all to do that stuff, and it's free for y'all to do it. But I need this to go out to more people. But all right, that's all I'm gonna say about that. I mean, y'all already know. I mean, that's why we beg for it. That's why we beg for it. Like, we need comments, we need views. You know, don't go in and go out, go in and go out. That kills us. That kills the channel. My channel's getting killed. I don't know why. I think I bring value. My troller says I don't, but I think I do. But all right, that's all I got. I do thank you guys very much. We'll jam out to Jungle Tactics. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, and I'm begging you to please freaking help me out. Because I'm dying here, guys. I'm dying. I'm in the streets. I'm begging for help. I got my arm out and say, please help me. Fine, sir. Please help me. Don't just step over me. Help me up. Watch the video, smash a like, leave comments. I really appreciate you guys very much for all that you do. And we will see you tomorrow, 12 o'clock. See ya. Jungle Tactics. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Bingo, bango.
Traders, patient, strong, be like a silent hunter all night long. Wait our turn, don't chase the thrill. Kings of the jungle, patiently waiting for the kill.
Profitable traders never looking for shill. Charting out the jungle, moving steady, never still. New traders chase green candles, but we lay low. Watching price creep, let the weak hands go. Stepping too fast, that's a new trader's mistake. Market full of traps, better watch and wait. FOMO got them lost, now they caught in the snare. We sit back, let the prey come near. In the jungle, gotta wait, gotta stalk. New traders take the trade when the fake gurus talk. Patience be the blade cut through the fear. We identify the trend till it's crystal clear. New traders running in, thinking it's a feast. Jumping on the pumps, wondering why the moves cease. Short at resistance, long at the floor. New traders buying late, now they crying for more. Price moves like the wind through the trees. Fake outs lurk lurking, gotta move with the breeze. Trade with the trend, yeah, the money gon' flow. Don't rush in, you won't like how it goes. In the jungle, gotta wait, gotta stalk. New traders take the trade when the fake gurus talk. Patience be the blade, cut through the fear. We identify the trend till it's crystal clear. Charts don't lie, but your mind might slip. Emotion screaming, gotta tighten that grip. Snipers don't rush, they just line up the shot. One move, one trade, now the bag looking hot. They don't see the trap till they deep in the hole. Buying the tops, man, they losing control. Smart money waiting, stacking the play. Fake gurus losing trades while begging you to stay. Move with the market, trade on the right side. Trading's like a jungle, join our pride. In the jungle, gotta wait, gotta stalk. New traders take the trade when the fake gurus talk. The jungle where we stalk our prey. Identify the trend till it's crystal clear. Now's the time to make this money.
That's right, guys. It's time to make this money. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Until then, as always, don't feel like you have to be in a trade all the time. Let the trades come to you. Have your alerts set. That's the important thing. Let the trades come to you. All right. That's all I got. Thank you so much, guys. You're the best. Like, I love you guys so much. Like, you guys have no idea. I love you guys so much. Y'all show up every day. Y'all are helping the channel grow. Appreciate you. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for commenting. You guys are the absolute best. All right. That's all I got. We'll see you on the next one. Techman says, let me know if you need any hardware. Hardware for what? Not sure if that's for me or somebody else. All right, guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.